The Gator Tote Tank is your go-to solution for portable waste management. Tough, convenient, and built for the demands of life on the move. Whether you're at a campsite or managing sanitation off-grid, Gator makes it easy to handle wastewater without breaking camp. Available in 5 versatile sizes, 6, 16, 23, 29, and 38 gallons, there's a Gator Tote Tank to match your specific needs. Whether you're looking for something compact and easy to store, or you need a higher capacity option for extended stays, Gator has you covered. Each tank is constructed from blow-molded UV-stabilized HDPE, making it extremely durable and resistant to abrasions, cracking, and sun damage. No matter which size you choose, you can count on rugged performance built to last. Comfort and control come standard. The ergonomic low-profile design shifts the center of gravity to the base of the tank, lightening the weight at the handle, making it easier to lift and maneuver than competitive designs with a lower capacity. Larger sizes feature 12-inch solid rubber wheels with bearings for smooth, steady transport, while a removable and washable padded grip handle gives you a secure and cushioned hold. For extended hauls, the heavy-duty steel tow handle allows the tank to be securely hitched to a motorized vehicle, making transport over longer distances a breeze. Emptying is quick, clean, and efficient thanks to the vented quick drain system and a quick-release gate valve that's perfectly positioned for complete drainage, featured on the 2 largest models. This cutaway view shows how the Gator tanks are designed for complete drainage. Virtually no residual fluid remains in the tank after draining. And cleanup is simple, with a built-in garden hose inlet, just connect and rinse. Each Gator Tote Tank includes a premium accessory kit with items like a 5-foot sewer hose, clear elbow adapter, and heavy-duty tow bar, everything you need for hassle-free sanitation right out of the box. Accessory kits vary by model. Want to take your setup to the next level? Pair your tank with the Gator Ladder Storage Hook for easy, secure transport on RV ladders. Add Gator Sewer Hose kits for extended reach, and complete your drainage system with Gator Hose supports, designed to keep flow smooth and hassle-free on uneven terrain. Backed by a limited 3-year warranty, Gator Tote Tanks deliver the durability you need, the convenience you want, and the complete sanitation solution you can trust. From weekend getaways to extended stays, get more with Gator.